Not everyone needs a full tower sitting under their desk anymore. If you just want something that browses, streams, edits documents, and still leaves room for your coffee mug, a mini PC might be exactly what you're after. And the best part is, you do not have to spend a fortune to do it. So, let's count down the 5 best budget mini PCs you can grab today. Whether you need a compact workstation, a home theater setup, or just a clean desk, you'll find something here that'll surprise you. As always, the links are in the description. Let's begin. First up, we have the Beelink Mini S12. This is the kind of machine that makes you question why traditional desktops still take up so much space. At its core, you get Intel's 12th Gen Alder Lake N95 processor. That is a quad-core chip that runs up to 3.4 GHz, and it delivers a noticeable jump over older budget processors like the N5105. For everyday tasks, that extra headroom matters. Web browsing feels snappy, office applications run smoothly, even light multitasking holds up well. It comes with 8 GB of DDR4 memory and a 256 GB M.2 SSD out of the box. Now, 256 GB might not sound like much if you hoard files, but the storage is expandable all the way up to 4 TB. That is a huge deal at this price point. You can start small and upgrade later when you need more room. The graphics side is handled by Intel UHD Graphics, and it supports dual HDMI outputs at 4K and 60 Hz. That means you can run 2 monitors at once. For a budget mini PC, that kind of flexibility is rare. It is perfect if you want a dual-screen setup for productivity without paying extra for the privilege. Connectivity is solid too. You get 4 USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2. It even ships with Windows 11 Home pre-installed, so you are ready to go right out of the box. And because it includes a VESA mount, you can literally hide it behind your monitor and forget it is there. This is not a gaming rig, and I will not pretend it is. But for students, office workers, or anyone who wants a second computer for the living room, the value here is hard to beat. Next, we have the GMKtec G11, an incredibly compact mini PC that comes packed with AMD power. The processor here is the AMD Ryzen Embedded R2514. It is a Zen Plus chip with 4 cores and 8 threads, and it boosts up to 3.7 GHz. That thread count makes a real difference. You can feel it when you have multiple browser tabs open, a spreadsheet running, and a video playing in the background. Everything just flows. But the real story is the graphics. The integrated Radeon Vega 8 GPU is a massive step up from what you typically find in budget mini PCs. It supports triple independent 4K displays. That is 3 monitors at once. For traders, content creators, or anyone who lives in a multi-screen world, that is a huge win. You also get 16 GB of dual-channel DDR4 RAM and a 256 GB PCIe NVMe SSD. And if you are worried about running out of space, the storage can be expanded up to a staggering 16 TB. That is honestly overkill for most people, but it shows how much room this little machine has to grow. Networking is another highlight. The G11 features dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports. That makes it an excellent candidate for a home lab, a firewall, or even a lightweight server. You can push it harder than a typical budget mini PC, and it will keep up. It comes with Windows 11 Pro pre-installed, supports Linux, and includes all the professional features you would expect. Wake on LAN, Auto Power On, and PXE Boot are all there. It even has a BIOS toggle to unlock a 35-watt performance mode if you want to squeeze out extra power. For tech enthusiasts and home lab builders, this is a sweet spot. You are getting versatility and expandability that usually costs much more. At number 3, we have the ACEMAGIC V1. And this is where the budget mini PC market starts to feel genuinely premium. ACEMAGIC managed to fit a Ryzen 7 processor into a compact chassis without inflating the price, and that is worth talking about. The Ryzen 7 7330U is an 8-core, 16-thread processor built on Zen 3 architecture. It boosts up to 4.3 GHz, and those 16 threads give you serious multitasking headroom. This is the kind of chip that does not break a sweat during heavy office work, streaming, or even light creative tasks. It simply feels fast. You get 16 GB of dual-channel DDR4 RAM and a 256 GB SSD. The memory configuration is already generous, and the storage can be expanded through an M.2 NVMe slot. That means you are not locked into the out-of-the-box specs. You can grow with it. Display support is excellent. Between the 2 HDMI ports and the USB-C output, you can run 3 4K monitors at 60 Hz. That level of connectivity is usually reserved for much more expensive machines. Whether you are managing a trading desk or just want a sprawling workspace, the V1 has you covered. The cooling system deserves a mention too. It uses a quiet fan and an efficient thermal design to keep the 28-watt processor stable, and it does this without sounding like a jet engine. For home office use, that that quiet operation is a genuine quality-of-life improvement. It comes with Windows 11 Pro pre-installed and supports Linux if you prefer to roll your own setup. The whole thing is Visa mountable, so you can tuck it behind a monitor and keep your desk spotless. So, this balanced PC offers Ryzen 7 power in a form factor that does not dominate your desk, and it does so while keeping the budget firmly in check. For professionals and students who need real performance without the premium price tag, the V1 is a compelling choice. Now we are getting into the really good stuff. At number 2, we have the KAMRUI E3B, and this machine represents a sweet spot that is hard to ignore. It takes everything great about budget mini PCs and pushes it a step further. The heart of this system is the AMD Ryzen 5 7530U. That is a 6-core, 12-thread Zen 3 processor that boosts up to 4.5 GHz. It is noticeably stronger than the Intel N-series chips you see in cheaper alternatives, and the difference shows up everywhere. Apps open faster. Multitasking feels effortless. Even heavier workloads like photo editing or streaming run without hiccups. It comes equipped with 16 GB of fast LPDDR4X memory and a 512 GB M.2 SSD. Having that much storage out of the box is a welcome touch. You can install your operating system, your applications, and still have plenty of room left over for files and media. And if you ever need more, there is an additional M.2 slot waiting for you. The integrated Radeon Vega graphics support triple 4K displays through dual HDMI and a USB-C port. That flexibility is fantastic for multitaskers. You can spread your work across multiple screens and never feel cramped. It is the kind of feature that makes you more productive without you even thinking about it. Thermals are well handled here. The cooling system keeps the 28-watt processor running stable and quiet, even when you are pushing it. That means you get consistent performance without the distracting fan noise that plagues some compact machines. It ships with Windows 11 Pro and plays nicely with Linux. The design is clean, ultra-compact, and Visa mountable. You can hide it behind a monitor, slide it under a TV, or just place it on your desk without it taking up any real estate. This is the kind of mini PC that blurs the line between budget and mid-range. It gives you genuine processing power, generous memory and storage, and multi-display support, all while staying firmly in budget territory. Finally, at number 1, we have the GEEKOM A5. And I have to say, this machine is the reason budget mini PCs have become so exciting. It packs flagship-level features into a compact body, and it does so at a price that still respects your wallet. The processor is the AMD Ryzen 7 7730U. That is 8 cores and 16 threads, boosting up to 4.5 GHz. This is a chip built for serious multitasking, smooth 4K streaming, video conferencing, and even light content creation. It is a big leap above entry-level mini PCs, and once you use it, you will feel the difference immediately. Graphics are handled by the Radeon Vega 8 GPU, and the display support here is genuinely impressive. You get 2 HDMI ports and 2 USB-C ports, and together they can drive up to 4 4K displays. That is 4 monitors running at full resolution. Or if you prefer, you can push a single 8K display through the USB-C connection. That level of output flexibility is rare at any price, let alone in the budget category. Memory and storage are where the A5 really shows its ambition. It comes with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, but both slots are user-accessible and upgradable all the way to 64 GB. The 512 GB NVMe SSD is fast and spacious, and the expansion options are extensive. You can add another M.2 drive and even a 2.5-inch hard drive, or SSD. In total, this thing can handle up to 10 terabytes of storage. That is not just future-proof, that is server territory. The build quality is another step up. It uses a reinforced shell with a metal midframe for heat dissipation. It has vibration-damping feet and a high-gain antenna for stronger wireless performance. GEEKOM clearly designed this for 24/7 reliability, and it shows. Connectivity is abundant. You get 6 USB ports, an SD card slot, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, and Gigabit Ethernet. It comes with an operating system pre-installed and supports Linux and Ubuntu. And perhaps most reassuringly, it carries a 3-year warranty. That is longer than most competitors offer, and it speaks to the confidence behind this build. This is the absolute best budget mini PC you can buy right now. It gives you Ryzen 7 performance, massive expandability, and professional-grade display support, all in a compact, reliable package. If you want the most machine for your money, the GEEKOM A5 is the one to beat. Thanks for stopping by. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe to Master iTech for more tech content like this. Catch you in the next video.